In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize branding and logo in Practice Better. Branding is what helps your practice look consistent and professional. So let's walk through exactly how to set up your logo and colors the right way. First, make sure you're using a web browser on your computer. Practice. Better's branding elements don't always display in the mobile app, so the web version is the best place to make and see these changes clearly. Go ahead and log into your Practice Better account in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Settings area. You can click the gear icon, usually located near the top of your screen, and then choose Logo and Branding. This is the section where you'll control your logo and your brand colors, and it's designed to be quick and straightforward. Let's start with your logo. Click to upload your logo file. For the cleanest result, use a high-quality PNG with a transparent background. A transparent background prevents unwanted white boxes or borders around your logo and keeps it looking crisp on different sections of the platform. If you have both light and dark versions of your logo, choose the one that will be most legible against the backgrounds you commonly use. Also, avoid tiny or low-resolution images. They can look blurry. A logo with a bit of margin trimmed off the edges often sits better visually and appears more balanced. Next, set your brand colors. You'll see an option to enter a hex code or use the built-in color picker. A hex code is a 6-digit code that represents a specific color, like the exact shade from your website or logo. If you already have a brand style guide, copy your primary color's hex code here for perfect consistency. If you don't have one handy, use the color picker to select a shade that complements your logo. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep everything accessible and easy to read. When you're happy with your selections, make sure to save your changes. Saving applies your logo and colors throughout Practice Better, helping your materials look cohesive wherever branding is supported in the web experience. If you ever update your logo or refine your palette later, you can return to the same logo and branding page and adjust as needed. That's it. You've logged in on the web, navigated to settings, uploaded a high-quality logo, set your brand colors with a hex code or the color picker, and saved your changes. Your Practice Better account now reflects your brand, giving your clients a more polished and trustworthy experience.